Right, it's Tuesday, September 16th, just following up on the SPY. You can see if they're buying puts on breaking down below bar one. It has moved to kind of the pre-market lows here, which is kind of the midpoint of yesterday. I don't want to get overly, aggressive on this trade, so I'm just scaling out here to set up a no-risk trade to see really how this morning unfolds. I bought those 665 puts at 7. I just scaled out at 750 to set up an no-risk trade. They're asking 773 right now, so it's a nice gain. We're going to see now overall if this 3 bar develops like I was talking about, where you make a high from the previous day, you make a higher high and a lower low. That could set a tone for the turning the weekly chart red a little bit, getting below the open of yesterday. But we're still in a big uptrend, and it's just a matter of it, maybe taking out a little liquidity to the downside and pausing before we head higher versus just a complete collapse. But you never know for sure. So I'm just going to kind of play this conservatively, scale out, see if we kind of get to the lows of yesterday. And, then you start kind of, if we can hold at these key levels, you can see how much lower price action might want to go. But it's also possible that we don't follow through and come back through the midpoint of this first bar, in which case I'll do no worse than break even. So I was willing to give it a chance, just given this opening price action. I kind of know the context in play here. If we could kind of go bar by bar and hold lower, then we could be taking out yesterday's low, and then we'll see what happens at that inflection point. But if we come back up strongly through the midpoint of this first bar, then all bets are off in terms of a deeper pullback. So anyway, no risk right now. At least we got an initial follow through. That's what opening price action is saying. Want to take out a little liquidity to the downside, and we'll just see how deep it wants to go, or is it just taking out liquidity before resuming the uptrend? But overall, kind of a pause day in the market, at least at the open, and we'll see how it unfolds for the rest of the day.